Question 114.
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, माननीय विधायक श्री पाल दांगशु महोदय, question number 114. Question 1. Do department have planned to limit the minus percentage or rates to prevent bidders participating below scheduled rates in government tenders? Answer hochchhe yes. There is provision to regulate minus percentage or rates in government tenders as per the standard bid documents PWD Tripura 2025 under clause 24.1. Question: if yes, then how? Answer: bidders are allowed to quote up to minus 10% of the estimated cost. For tenders quoted beyond this limit, an additional performance guarantee is required as per the provision of the standard bid document PWD 2025. Question: if no, then why? Answer: question does not arise with the reference to the reply of the above question.
Supplementary, sir. Sir, when bidders participate in tenders and participate in below rate, government saves money. That is fair enough, and that is also good for the government. But sir, we all know in rural areas, especially when the agency participate their work, their materials are always low, and sir, the work is always substandard, and the execution time is also delayed. In my constituency, 3 financial years have passed. 2-3 roads are still under construction, and it is not complete. And this year also it will not complete, sir. Sir, that is why I will say this practice is very unhealthy, and I would like to ask the Honorable Chief Minister if the rate can be reduced to 5%, minus 5%, because 10% will be too much. Justification is given by below 10% also, below 40% also, below 30% also, and department also accepted, sir. But due to less manpower, engineer cannot go everywhere and visit all the time. So what they will do, agencies and all, they will try to finish at night, they will try to finish when people are not there, especially in rural areas, sir. And sir, I believe that this is a long-term loss for government and also an unhealthy practice, sir. So if you can cut it down up to -5, then it will be so much better for the state, sir.